We'll mix it up a bit here. I'm gonna go near the back. There's Oz, he's poling this section. So if you're paddling a rapid, you never want to be behind the guy who's poling because they're trying to go slower than the current often. So for us, we'll sneak in with these paddlers. You guys gonna go or you want me to go? Nice little set right here coming around this corner. And I'm just gonna hug the very inside of the corner because there's a bunch of boulders on river left and I don't want to smack them. So one more quick look. Ooh. This looks kind of nasty. So if I lose you, it's nice having you along for the ride. Again, trying to pick long, straight lines. The other beauty of high water and low water in Maine, I'd be smacking each one of these rocks. Oh, smack that one. With a high water like this, there's often enough. So there's like a pillow around every rock. That was fun, that was fast. Probably in that set, because I took the route that I did, there were probably only 3, maybe 4 rocks I was maybe going to hit if I didn't have pick a good line. But if I had hugged the other side of the river, man, there was a lot to hit. Too hot on the turn. Old bridge abutment right here. Often pretty deep right under them because they pull a lot of fill out to build the bridge back in the day. So good spots to know because they'll often hold fish even in the heat of the summer. Oh yeah, she's quite deep down there. One last little rip here. Well, kind of late in the day. It's our last morning here on this trip, but check out our sweet little spot. We got water over there. We got water over there. So just a nice little island, but we'll see you on the water. Well, just about to hit the water. Right in the middle of a rip. No warm-ups this morning. Start off backwards. Well, I think we're dealing with a software issue with the camera because I put a brand new battery in and it says low right away. So we might not get a whole lot of footage today, but we're on our way. What an awesome couple of days. Beginning of May, super high water, real fast. Just a super blast. About to speed up here. Kind of the quickest water of this river. Just about back into town. And it's been a really fun run. Great to get out in the early spring, right after ice out, and knock the cobwebs off of things. We were able to be paddling down, see some patches of snow and ice in the woods, and that always makes it interesting. Makes it kind of real. You know, if you go for a swim, you better take immediate action to warm up. I've run this little rapid here, up and down it, at least 100 times, I'd say, over the years. So, kind of like playing in your backyard. What I know about this rapid is there's a ton of ledges on river left, and the water, we're going to take a sharp right turn here, and the current wants to throw me way out into those ledges. So what I'm going to do is just hug that right shore. Doesn't look like much until you get around this little corner, and then it speeds right up. Really cool to watch a river through the seasons as the water level fluctuates dramatically. This thing, this little section of water right here, has about 20 different personalities that I've seen, all based on how high the water is. I'm tucked in here right on the shore. If I wasn't super familiar with this rapid, I'd be going real slow in here. Because I've been up and down it so many times, I kind of know exactly where stuff is. Home field advantage, you might say. Yeah, it wants to throw you out there into the middle. I know to hug this shore. Now I can slide out to the middle, and I've missed all the ledges. Sometimes I think about where I live up here in Aroostook County, Maine, and I gotta pinch myself. Because how did I get so lucky to live right amongst all of this awesomeness? One last little rip. Lower water, this is our poling testing ground where we have students pole up and down this rip. Looks a whole lot different now.